Let's embark on a desert adventure. Hello, I'm the Ocean Doctor, Mew Mew. Ocean Rescue, let's go! The jellyfish looks poisoned. The jellyfish was swimming in polluted water. It got sick. Let's help her. Please apply an antiseptic to the jellyfish. The jellyfish is cured! The jellyfish is hungry. Let's feed it! Ocean animals will protect you! The hermit crab can't move? Hermit crab! We gotta help him! The hermit crab needs a shell like this. Can you help him find it? The hermit crab is happy now. Thank you. The hermit crab is hungry. Let's feed him. Ocean animals will protect you! The dolphin's been hurt badly. The dolphin has been scratched by the fish hook. There are lots of germs. We need to clean them out. You did amazing! The dolphin's wound is healed! The dolphin wants to eat fish. Can you feed him? Ocean animals will protect you! The turtle looks hurt. This isn't good. The turtle ate something dirty and got poisoned. We need to save him. Oh no, the ocean currents have pushed the turtle down. The currents are try again. Hurry! Try again. Great! The turtle has been saved! The turtle looks hungry. Let's feed him some seaweed. Ocean animals will protect you! Who got stuck? The pufferfish is stuck! We need to rescue him quick! There's so much trash stuck to the pufferfish. Let's clean it off. Tap the pufferfish. Help help him to release the air. The pufferfish has been rescued. The pufferfish is hungry. Can you feed it?